Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to append queries using a Power Query editor. So we have these two tables here, churned customers and customer. As from our previous video, we know that churned customers are the customers that have left the bank, while customer are the customers that are currently running their accounts or that currently have an account running in the bank. So now we want to combine these two data. We want to append them. Append means putting one data under the other one so that you can have the churned customers and the customer data on one table. So that will help us during our analysis to easily slice and dice our data in one table instead of writing measures or moving to multiple tables or having multiple tables in our data models, which might not be that tidy. So let's append customers to churned customers. So to append, we'll go to the Home tab. So by far right, you see append queries right here. So to do that, we just have to click on, let's make a customer table or master table. So another thing to take note of in append table, that all the column headers in customer and churned customers must be exactly the same thing, because appending queries looks at the headers of both queries. So I append them based on their header. Another thing again to look at is to see the data type is the same thing. Like I can see here, my churn date here is any format, while my churn date while my customer churn date on the churn customers is in date format. So I'll just quickly go here, change this format to date, right? Just to make, I think that is the only thing that is wrong with this data. Now, after then, I just simply go to append queries. Append queries. I don't want to append as a new table because I just don't want to create so many tables on my Power Query editor. So I'm appending two tables, but in case you need to append more tables, let's say 3 or more tables, all you just need to do is to click on 3 or more, then it displays this. Now, all you just need to do after it displays this, you can see your current table, which is your customer table. All you can just do is to just select. You can just do a Control A. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Or you can just hold Control and Shift and select every table. So no matter how many, just go down there and select them and click on Add. So it automatically flows here. But we don't want to add digital channels to what we are appending. So we click on digital channels and remove. So once we remove it, just take it off. Right, very nice. So this is it. The next thing you just need to do is to click on OK. Upon clicking OK, you see the applied step here, append queries. So now, checking this now, as any customer that is still with the bank, the customer churn date will show as null. So those not with the bank, the customer's churn date will have a date. So let's quickly check this. So this is null. Let's load more. If we have data, yeah, good. So we have data that has dates now. This means the churn table has been appended to the customer table. So the next thing now, before we finish this lecture, this video is just to show you that on this churned customers, since we've already appended it with customer table, so we don't need to show this table in our data model. So all we just need to do is to right click, and here that shows enable load with this tick mark, we just have to untick it here, untick it, so it disables it from loading. You can see. So when you are loading into Power BI, this data do not load with the tables that goes into Power BI. Very nice feature. Yeah. So that will be all for this lecture. In the next lesson, we are going to be looking at how to merge queries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.